community care plan, we're a health plan, and we do several different lines of business. We have Medicaid members that we take care of in Broward County. We have the uninsured that we also take care of in Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach County. We also do our own our parent hospital, Memorial Healthcare System, that has all their employees, and we serve the health plan for all of them as well. Personal health information is very important to us. It's important to the government, HIPAA compliance. You want to make sure that we're protecting people's information.